Hello guys, welcome back with another video. In this video I will be showing you how to install a few of the mods that I have been waiting for this car. So I wrapped the car in satin white and I decided to install the scuff plate for the back passenger doors, which did not come with the car, the mud guards for all four wheels, and the Puddle light which projects Tesla logo when you open the door. So all these parts are purchased from RPMTESLA. I will have the link for you guys in case if you guys are interested, and also the performance pedals as well. So these are the things I have done so far on the car, and in this video I will be showing you how to install them. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get it started. Ordered those mud flap from RPMTESLA, and I just wrapped them same satin finish as well, and I'm gonna go ahead and install them right now. So I actually did them myself. It took a long time, but came out okay. Not like a professional level, but it's good. So I'll go ahead and install. Start off with the right side. Okay, so this should just come off. So this mud flap actually came with these little pull tabs. It's a little bit like longer than the one that I just took off, so it should be perfectly snap-on fit for this. And that's basically it. So if you guys can see, so I'm just gonna have to put those push tabs in there and snap it on, and that's basically it. Looks pretty good. It's very nice fit actually. And plus I wrapped them with the same color, so looks pretty good. Put this one in first. And there you go. A little bit of force, but it goes in and locks in there. Yeah, perfect. And that's it. Just repeat the same steps. Clip here. So it just goes and snaps in here with the body of the car. There you go. And then just light them up a little bit. There you go. And that's it. It's pretty good. Nice and snug fit. So for the back one, we just need to remove a 10mm right here at the bottom, because this is going to connect with this section at the bottom. So this 10mm is going to go like that. Where is it? You guys can see right there. So I'm going to remove that, install this, and take one of these yeah, so taking only this one off, only one. That's it. It was nice and loose. And that's it. Very nice and snug. Now I'll just tighten this up. And just snug. Don't have to over tight it. And that's it. As you can see, looks really good actually. Very nice fit. Matching the collar wrap. Looks good. Looks really nice. So I'll repeat the same step for the other side and we should be good to go. When you open the door, the Puddle light right now just lights up. And I'm gonna switch them to project Tesla logo on the floor. So it should be pretty nice and easy to switch, so I'll switch them. I think this just unclips from there and plug the new one and clip it on. So right now it's just nothing. So that was a pretty easy switch. So as you guys can see, so now I have a Tesla projected when you open the door. It's pretty cool, like that. It's nice and white. And it's pretty bright too, since I have the garage is very well lit, but still you can see. So in dark, I'm sure it's gonna look pretty cool. All right, let's do the other side. So this side is done too. It looks pretty good. Oh, it's nice. All right. So one more thing Tesla cheap out on. If you see, we have a Scuff plate for the front passenger and the driver's side, but we don't have that on the back. And I think it's gonna be a pretty bad idea not to have one on the back, because you know people getting in and out, and the kids, you know, you will get scratched easily. So I got those aftermarket one. Should be matching aluminum like the one I have for the front. Let's see. It just says 3 on it, so it looks pretty good quality, similar to the Model D or OEM one, aluminum. So already has a 3M tape underneath, so it should be pretty easy to install. So I'll just go ahead and clean up that area and just press it in there, and it should be good to go. So I will use some rubbing alcohol and a clean cloth just to wipe this section, dry it off. I mean, the car is already clean and washed, but just gonna make sure very clean. And just press it firmly. And that should be it. Takes 24 hours to completely get a nice stick to the body or frame. So let's see. So I'll repeat the same thing for the other side and should be good to go. Alright, so all the mods and accessories that I have installed, it looks great. So I got these few mods done today. Pretty much everything I needed for now. I hope next thing I need to do is the window tint. So I'm gonna probably go with the ceramic tints. Maybe before summer I will get that done. Until then, I should be all good. So I changed those the pedals to aluminum performance pedals. And as you guys can see, the Tesla Puddle light. And same thing with the back as well. All the mud guards are completed. Mud guards look very cool. I like that. Nice. All right.